Welcome to LTS Current Affairs June 2025 Part 3. Which country elected Lee Jae-myung as president in June 2025? It is South Korea. Which state government has launched a Geotech 13-digit unique identification number system for all the infrastructure projects? It is Maharashtra. With which country nomadic elephant exercise 2025 carried out? It is Mongolia. Who has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador for Maldives in 2025? It is Katrina Kaif. Who won the 2025 ICC World Test Championship final? And it is South Africa.